and it's great. It's almost like going to church, but it isn't going to church. And so it's quite a fun activity to do on a Sunday morning. It is a art fair here in Chapala, and this art fair is held how often?
Well, they come here only once a year.
Yeah, so once a year, very special time here. Beautiful, beautiful things from all over Mexico. It's the artisans of Mexico, and they bring their wares here. They're from north, south, east, and west Mexico to show their beautiful art and provide for their families a little money. So.
How is that? What are you eating, Gary?
This is a, believe it or not, it's a Japanese taco, they call it. This is a cucumber, and it's wrapped, and then inside it has tuna and avocado and ginger and some
Wasabi.
Wasabi, hot mustard.
Looks fabulous. How does it taste?
Very good.
I want to see you eat.
Hello.
Hi.
Jerry Brown here with Jerry Brown Travels.
And Lori here.
Gracie here.
Francisco here.
Oh, Happy here.
I'm Dan. Hello.
Hello.
Watch Jerry Brown's Travels.
Jerry Brown Travels.
Bye.
Yay.